It's incredible to consider how far Hyundai has come in the last 10 years. The Korean automaker has been sold in America since the 1990s, but in the last decade has made serious headway in the compact car market, culminating with the 2017 Elantra. It's positioned as one of the best small cars in the market. I'm George Kennedy for CarGurus, and we're looking at the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It's been redesigned inside and out with a focus on efficiency and technology. But is it enough to be the best in the pack? Let's take a closer look to find out. They say imitation is the most sincere form of flattery, and it's hard not to look at the Elantra and see influences from Audi in the big grille and menacing LED headlights. Out back, you'll see influences from the Elantra's bigger brother, the Hyundai Genesis luxury sedan. It's an overall unique design and, quite frankly, very eye-catching. And those German luxury influences can be found in the cabin, where the swooping lines of the 2016 model have been replaced with a far more straightforward design for 2017. That makes it easy to use, and the ergonomics of this limited model might actually be better than that of a BMW or an Audi. But the Elantra actually competes with cars like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Ford Focus. This interior layout is arguably one of the best in the segment, and that's because Hyundai went for function over form. Hyundai makes things pretty straightforward for buyers. You've got the SE trim, which has features like AM/FM/XM 6-speaker stereo, USB audio input, and a 6-way adjustable driver's seat. Then you've got the Limited that we're driving. It comes standard with 17-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, heated seats, and a 7-inch color touchscreen. It's also got safety features like blind spot monitoring and a backup camera. The Limited also comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Each bring a whole bunch of smartphone functionality to the Elantra's touchscreen. You can pair a smartphone via Bluetooth to get hands-free calling and streaming music. But to get the full CarPlay experience, including Apple interface and the voice-activated control using Siri, you can plug it in using the USB port. Hyundai makes things really simple when it comes to engines. No matter which trim you opt for, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine is under the hood. It makes 147 horsepower sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. If you prefer a 6-speed manual, one is available on the SE trim. The 2-liter makes adequate power, and there's a little drive mode button down here that'll give you normal, eco, and sport modes. Press eco to get that posted 28 miles per gallon city and 37 highway, while sport mode gives you brisk acceleration at the cost of a few mpgs. Typically the Elantra is pretty quiet, but under hard acceleration there's a lot of noise coming from the engine. That said, getting up to speed safely is very well worth the trade-off. An eco trim is also available, featuring a turbocharged 1.4-liter inline-4. Makes 128 horsepower, and Hyundai claims the eco trim will get up to 35 miles per gallon combined. The base SE trim starts at $17,150, and the Limited starts at $22,250. The Limited also offers some additional packages, like the Tech Package, which adds navigation, an Infinity Premium stereo, sunroof, heated seats, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror, all for an additional $2,500. The Ultimate Package costs another $1,900 and adds headlights that bend with the road, smart cruise control, lane departure warnings, and collision avoidance that can even detect pedestrians. Add all these packages and a fully loaded Limited will top out at around $27,000. That puts it well under the price of the equally impressive, albeit larger Honda Civic, and about the same price range as a Toyota Corolla. The Elantra feels like a far more impressive vehicle than the Corolla, which actually feels cheap by comparison. And while you can get a Civic with more features and it's a little bit larger, it can cost as much as $30,000 when fully loaded. The Elantra offers all the efficiency and tech features of the old familiar names in the small car segment. But with Hyundai's focus on value, you can get a great daily driver with all the features you could possibly want at a great price. For CarGurus, I'm George Kennedy. Check out my full review at cargurus.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.